Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add files to Evernote using import folders in just a few simple steps. Click your Account button at the bottom left to open the Account menu. The menu appears showing your account options and settings. Select Settings from the menu to open the Settings dialog. The Settings window opens with several sections in the left sidebar. Click Import in the Settings sidebar to open the Import Content screen. The Import screen appears showing options to add files from your computer. Click the Browse Files link to open your File Explorer. Select the file you want to import and click the Open button. The File Explorer closes, and you're back to the main screen where you can see the import processing. A toast notification appears confirming one file has been successfully imported. Your imported file now appears as a new note in the note list, ready to view and edit. If you don't see your file appear immediately after importing, try refreshing the note list or switching between notebooks. The imported file creates a new note automatically, so you can move it to a different notebook later if needed. You can import multiple files at once by selecting them all in the File Explorer before clicking Open. To find your imported files quickly, sort your notes by date modified since they'll appear at the top. And that's how to add files to Evernote using import folders. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.